Hi guys, so today I will be talking about how to fulfill orders in CJ Dropshipping. So let's get started. Of course, first we need to open our browsers, input our cjdropshipping.com. Now we can see the entire page in here. So before we fulfill our orders, let's go through how to make an order first. Okay. In here, for example, we would like to order a specific item. So for example, jewelry, and you would like to um, order a sports watch for women. So let's input women's sport watches. Now we can see variation of different kinds of watches that you would like to sell on your page, basically. All right. Here. So for example, I would like to sell this sports watch on my authorized store. In here, we can click on list. So here for the listing, we just need to enter our store name. And this one, of course, we cannot edit since this is where the warehouse is from. Now for this one, it will show you a variation of the specific product that we would like to sell on our page. So for example, I would like to sell only one or two variations of the product, and those are like the black and the black coffee. So I'm just gonna um, tick off the other boxes. Now, in this listing prompt, we can see here the image here, the image of the product, the SKU, the color, and the RRP. So the RRP is the recommended retail price. So the product price derived from analysis of consumer big data. The shipping cost is not included in the recommended retail price or the estimated profit. So basically, they will give you an estimated or suggested retail price for the product. Okay, now here is the price of the product. Basically, now here for the shipping fee. So service fee and remote fee are not included. Okay. Now here as well for service fee, it includes labor costs and products, quality inspection, packing, dispatch, and so forth. Okay. Now here in total drop shipping, you can see the cost of the items. So now for price, it's your choice whether you would like to price it. Like for example, I would like to price it for $6, then I can input it there. Now here for shipping method, we can choose the shipping method that we'd like to make use of. Like for instance, let's say CJ packet C there, and here we are going to input where our orders would go to. So basically, if you have, an American-based store, then there you can input like ship orders mostly to US. Now we can see here the estimated delivery time. So that's 25 to 30 days. And the shipping cost is $494.84. Now, if you're already satisfied with the listing, all you need to do is to click on List It Now. Okay, of course, we need to enter a store. Yeah. If you want to have an auto listing, yeah. So auto listing feature can only be applied to products in Shopify and TikTok. Okay, there you have it. All right. If you want to order this manually, then you can actually connect it directly to your store. However, if you haven't yet link to your store, it will show you this prompt. So all you need to do is add store, and there you can say authorize. Okay. Now going back to how do we know if an order has been fulfilled? Let's go to my CJ, right? So here in my CJ, we're going to click on this one. Once we're routed to this page, we're going to see the sidebar in here. Again, we need to authorize our online stores. Here are the authorized or the stores that we can authorize using cjdropshipping.com. Shopify, Lead2C, TikTok, WooCommerce, eBay, API, Etsy, Wix, Lazada, Shopee, ShopLaza, Magento, BigCommerce, AllValue, Novim Shop, and ShipStation. Now, to fulfill our orders, all we need to do is to click on orders. Now, here under orders, we can see imported orders, orders fulfillment, disputes 2.0, undelivered orders, and order tracking. So here, let's click on orders fulfillment. Okay, now once we clicked on orders fulfillment, we can see this page. Here we have not yet listed any products basically. So you can click on import now. If you import the product now, there are 3 ways of importing your orders. First is syncing your orders from your authorized stores. Second is to search products and create orders manually, like what we did a while ago. And lastly, to import orders via Excel. Okay, now if you can see this one, going back to our orders fulfillment, okay, here you can also see under the orders fulfillment your order number, CJ order number, the status, the quantity, the shipping method, and tracking number and how much it costs basically. All right, now there's a note in here. The order status will be converted from pending to processing when a tracking number is generated and products have been well prepared in our warehouses. There you have it. For undelivered orders, you can also check this page out as well. Okay. But basically, since we're talking about orders fulfillment, we should be focusing on this page. Okay. Now here, it will also show if there are pending or processing or dispatch, completed, closed, and abnormal orders on your CJ Dropshipping account. Basically, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys. Have a great day and keep safe. Bye.